All right, so what do we got here? I'm looking at number 8. I'm hoping things work right. They probably will not. For one, I don't have a pen. It's a calculator problem. And if you've been watching my videos by now, you know what happens when I use a calculator. So I'm going to do this one differently. I am going to use my manual calculator here. Put it up on the screen here. And the goal here is to determine the interval of time at which the rocket's height is above 120 feet. And I even tell you how to do that. It says put 120 in Y2 or Y1, blah, blah. I did it backwards on my calculator. Anyways, you put the equation that's given in either Y1 or Y2, and then you put the other number in Y1. So that's what I did. Now you're trained to do a zoom 6. That's how I trained you. You're not going to see anything. The goal is to be above 120 feet. Go to Window, change the Y max to something like 150, and hit Graph. And then you'll start seeing the intersections. So I'm going to hit second trace 5. I'm going to get that intersection on the left. Enter, enter, enter. It's a decimal, so I need to write that down real quick so I'll remember it. It was about 0.7574. Second trace 5, get that decimal on the right. And again, play along, kids. That's one of the things that gets y'all. Y'all don't play along. You just kind of stare at me like I'm a TV show. I'm not. I would be canceled. And I pressed enter 3 times, and I got another X value of about 9.2426. So let's see if this thing is writing properly. That's the question of the day. Recording. I had 2 X values. And so long as X is stuck between those, and here we go, it's doing that again. .7574 or 9.2426. I am above 120 feet. Now I might give this, and I'm sorry that's so bad, this thing's doing that not writing thing again. I might give this using interval notation. So I might use parentheses. That's above, so it's parentheses. 0.75, 74, comma, 9.2426. Now, if you don't understand why that's the answer, I'll try and rough sketch this thing, but it's very annoying right now the way it's working. This thing went up. We had 120 feet graphed. And these were the answers. So long as I was in this space, that was true. And those are the time values that make this true. And I'm going to be done with this since recording the rest of this would be kind of a pain right now. Anytime I switch off the main program, it gets funky.